Starting an air conditioning company in Phoenix may sound like a good idea, but there's thousands of other competitors that are running companies out there. And so during the first years of starting this business, we were very diligent and thorough in everything that we did, and we slowly built up a reputation that people could call upon us, knowing that they can trust the dealings that they got from us. Our industry is challenged by the stigma that contractors cannot be trusted or relied upon. We at Larson set ourselves apart by providing consistent, responsive, and proactive communication every single day, every time. From the initial appointment to our detailed evaluation and assessment to follow-up items, we're keeping our customers informed along the way. People call us because they know that they can trust when they hire us, that they're getting a fair, comprehensive company to deal with. Winning the Torch Award for Ethics is total validation for Larson Air Conditioning. It reinforces our commitment to be transparent, honest, and reliable in our service.